Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to share with you how to grow Peruvian lilies in your garden. Peruvian lilies, or Alstroemeria, have large flowers in vibrant shades of pink, red, purple, yellow, orange and creamy white, and they're often adorned with speckles and stripes. Foliage can be bronze, grey-green or variegated. The flowers look exotic, but plants are actually very hardy. Most are suitable for US hardiness zones 7 to 10. The Peruvian lily suits various styles of gardening, from bold exotic plantings to romantic cottage-style borders, and plants can even be grown in containers. Flowers appear from summer to early autumn at the top of leafy stems. Plants die back over winter and re-sprout in spring. Grow Alstroemeria in a warm, sheltered, sunny spot in free draining soil. They do tolerate light shade but flower best in sun. When planting, dig in plenty of organic matter such as garden compost and keep watered for the first season until established. There are short and tall Alstroemeria. The taller ones are best for gardens, although they may need staking, and the shorter ones are best for pots. Some people water their plants once a week with a high potash fertiliser to encourage flowering, but personally I find it's not needed. Divide your Peruvian lilies every few years in April to keep them vigorous and flowering strongly. The final tip I want to give you today on Peruvian lilies relates to deadheading them. The regular deadheading of spent flowers encourages repeat flowering, but the way we do this with Alstroemeria, it's a bit different. Select the stem of your spent flower and grasp it firmly low down. Pull upwards, giving it a quick tug. This severs the stem below ground and stimulates another bud, so you get another flush of blooms. As Peruvian lilies also make excellent cut flowers, you can remove blooming stems for indoor use in this way too, as I've done here. Just be aware that this deadheading isn't suitable the first year after planting because you might just pull up the whole plant. And so, with so much flower and colour to choose from, which one will you select for your garden? Happy growing!